Good morning to all of you, dear friends. Today we will discuss about how our state to be born. So when India got freedom, so after independence, we have a major problem that how our states to be formed. So basically in 1920, the Indian National Congress, the main party of the freedom struggle, have promised that once the country won independence, each major linguistic group would have its own province. It means they were promised to the people that if India get or got independence, then each major language group would have its own province. But there is major problem कि how do we form a state according to linguist. Okay, so both Prime Minister Nehru and Deputy Prime Minister Vallabhbhai Patel were against the creation of linguist state. But uh, at the last we have no option. So basically, there were many states which were formed into a linguist or a language state. The Kannada speaker, Malayalam speaker, and the Marathi speakers had all looked forward to having their own state. The strong protest, however, came from the Telugu speaking district of what was the Madras presidency. Okay, so there were many protest that time. And when Nehru went to campaign there during the general election of 1952, he was met with black flags and slogan demanding "We want Andhra." So Potti Sriramlu, he was the important person to form Andhra Pradesh. Okay, on 15 December 1952, 58 days into his last, Potti Sriramlu was dead, and as a newspaper put it, the news of passing away of Sriramlu in engulfed entire Andhra in chaos. Okay, so basically, at that time, the study and the important thing after that of Potti Sriramlu and after the creation of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so there were many states who were formed or created regarding to their linguist or language state. Okay, like if you will see Rajasthan, so if you will see Gujarat, Maharashtra also. Okay, uh, and you will see that Hyderabad, it means Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so they were Tamil Nadu. They were formed to according the linguist state. Okay, so now you will see ki we have a major problem when we are making the constitution, planning and development. So basically, India got independence. So how do we you know run the administration, to run the government, to run the developments in India, because India uh, was a new country that time. So 1950 there was a government set up a planning commission. So its work after for they were making a they were making a plan about near about 5 years, and they were a specific portion they were targeted. Okay, in 1956 the second 5 year plan was formulated. This focused strongly on the development of heavy industries such as steel and on the building of large dams. These sectors would be under the control of the state. Okay, so there were many plans which were formulated at that time. Okay, now you will see कि 2014 में and the BJP government or Modi government, there was they were start a Niti commission. Okay, some felt that it had put an educated emphasis on agriculture. Others argued that it had neglected primary education. So there were many issues at that time because we were a new country. Okay, so we have on focus basically employment. Okay, and food, because the time the poor people was in a many measurement. Okay, so now you will see कि किस तरीके से इंडिया ने इंडिपेंडेंस के बाद धीरे धीरे the nation 60 years on, and today I'm telling you about 70 years or 72 years basically. ठीक है, तो after 1947 we got we have 50 72 or 73 years independence. So basically it is very important to know कि where we exist right now. Okay, तो हमने बहुत हेल्प में, एजुकेशन में, ठीक है, and the system to run the administration. We have you know we have a we have a good one, and in external affairs we have connected or relation uh, to the abroad countries like USA, Britain, okay, Germany, France, okay, and the neighboring countries also, but there are many exceptions like China and Pakistan, okay. But we have, we are Indian, and we are proud of to be Indian because of basically if you will see कि we have a large country and a variations of basis of language, caste, religion, okay, but we are unity in diversity. Okay, so that is the end of the video. Read the chapters line by line. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so goodbye, have a good day to all of you.